Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a video about the privacy settings within Windows 10, particularly the May 2019 update, but I believe this setting is also available on the April and October 2018 update. So in privacy settings, some people don't really like the fact that some of the settings and some of the activity of your PC is actually synchronized and sent to Microsoft. And for a lot of people, that also means, oh well, maybe they're snooping what I do, or it also means that they don't trust the fact that this is going online somewhere. Now, if you have multiple PCs, it's kind of cool. I leave it on because I like to see the activity and have it sync with other machines. Also, if you have only one computer, well, having the activity sent online actually helps your PC, because when you use, for example, the timeline feature, you actually can go back and see the activity that happened, and it's because it synchronizes with Microsoft that this happens. So basically what happens is you go to your settings, and we'll go to a specific setting in the privacy settings that's called Activity History. And you see it has the timeline icon next to it. The timeline feature is right here on the bottom. It's called Task View. Well, this is also linked. So all of that works because of Activity History being turned on. So you got two things that you can do. If you want to have timelines still work, but don't need that portion of activity sent to Microsoft, well, you can remove the little check mark here, send my activity history to Microsoft. What's going to happen is that your timeline feature is still going to work. Of course, if you have more than one Windows 10 devices, you, of course, will not have that sync anymore because you're not sharing it online, but your activity history on the device will still be stored on your hard drive. It's a way to keep timeline still working, but don't expect it to sync with other machines. Of course, if you don't want activity history, if you don't want any of that to be stored on your PC or online, then you can remove the check mark for Store My Activity History on this device. This means that now Timeline will of course stop working because no more activity will be logged on your PC. And by removing Send My Activity History to Microsoft, you are going to of course also prevent that information to be sent online. Last but not least, if you want to maximize the possibility that nothing is going to be sent online, synced, or sent to the cloud or so, you can of course turn off the option here with the activity of your Microsoft account. By turning off your Microsoft account activity, well, you will hide the activity from your timeline. You will not have anything available. And last but not least, when you do this, you have something called Clear History for your Microsoft account. If you click here, Manage My Microsoft Account Activity Data, this brings you online to Microsoft website. And in that place, in your account settings, okay, you sign in, you will actually see all of the data and all the information that Microsoft has on you, and you can actually go in there and just make sure that you delete everything. So that's one part of your different options that are stored to the cloud. As you notice, I turned them back on because I kind of find that it's nice to have all of this synced through my devices and have it come back when I install Windows and so on. You might not be comfortable with that, so that's why I'm showing you how you can actually turn it off at least, and that's how it works. So if you want to make sure that the minimum amount of data is sent to Microsoft, you can turn off activity history. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.